እሺ ሶ ይሄ መጨረሻው ስታንዳፕ ነው የዊክ 0 ያው እንደተለመደው ማይካችሁን ኦፕን እያደረጋችሁ ጥያቄም ካለ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለዛሬ ሰሚሽን አር ዩ ሬዲ የሚለውን ጥያቄ እየመለሳችሁ ያላችሁበትንም እያሳወቃችሁኝ አፕዴት መደራረግ እንችላለን። So who is going to be the first person? Volunteers ስም ከምጠራ okay, thank you Fabian. Please go ahead. Or do you change your mind?
Okay. Should I use Amharic ወይስ
እንደተመቸሽ አማርኛ መጠቀም
እሺ So I'm preparing ለመጨረሻው ለፋይናል ሰብሚሽን
እሺ
task screen ሰርቻለሁ and also proceeding to the bonus streamlit ምናምን.
Okay, that's great.
And also I'm working on the report too. Final report.
Great.
Yeah, that's what I have. Thank you.
So it seems like you are on the right track and I can say you are ready for today's submission.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I think you are. Okay, thank you, Fabian.
Thank you.
ቀጣይ ሰው Okay, I can call a name if that's what you prefer. Let's see. I see የመጀመሪያ ሰው ማየው አብዲ ፈታህ ኢብራሂም ሼር ብታረገን ማውራችሁ ማችሉ ደግሞ ያው እንደተለመደው ቻት ላይ መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ። አብዲ ፈታህ ይሰማል? ሌትስ ሙቭ ኦን ቱ አብዱረዛቅ ቤቶች ናችሁ የተደራደራችሁት ስለ ያ የስ አብዱረዛቅ አለ ሰላም ነው
አለና እኔ ሰሚት አድርጌያለሁኝ ግን አሰስመንቱ ላይ የእንትን ያው ትንሽ ኮምፕሌን አለኝ ስለ
እሱ ችግር የለውም የሚስተካከል ነው። ትዕግስት ብቻ ነው የሚያስፈልገው። ሪቪው ያደረግን ነው ብዙ ስለሆናችሁ ነው እየተስተካከለ ይሄዳል እሱ። ከዛ በተረፈ ሰሚት ያደረከው የዛሬ ሰሚሽን ነው አብዱረዛቅ የታስክ
ዛሬ ሰሚት
ሶ ጨርሰሃል ማለት ነው በአንድ ሳይት ሪፖርቱም ሁሉም?
ጨርሻለሁ።
ናይስ ኦኬ ቴንክ ዩ አብዱረዛቅ። ሶ ሆፕፉሊ ኦፕን ነክ ሌሎችን ለመርዳት ዛሬ ሰሚት ለማድረግ የተቸገሩ ካሉ ሪች አውት ካረጉ ሄልፕ እንድታደርጉ። እሺ ቴንክ ዩ። Okay, Mike just started the bonus, finishing the documentation, ready for the summit. Thank you, Mike. That's great. Tashagar, I have submitted everything. The final GitHub is not graded. Yes, it's not graded yet. Actually, ዛሬ ነው ገና ሰሚሽን እየተደረገ ያለው so የፋይናሉ ይቆያል። ኤአይውን ግሬድ አላደረገውም but that is a really good progress from Mike and Tashagar. Good afternoon. I'm working on task 3, bonus task, writing both technical and non-technical, hoping to finish on time. Tensaim also seems like he's on a good track. You'll have a time. Don't worry about that, Tensai. Just finish up. Yeah, you already are almost 90% done. Hamza is saying, can you specify what kind of thing I should consider for the final report? So ሼር ያረኩት ቻት ላይ ካያችሁት አብዛኞቻችሁ አይ ቲንክ አይታችሁታል ይመስለኛል። ኢንተርም እና ፋይናል ሪፖርት ምን ኢንክሉድ ያርጉ የሚል ሶ ዊክ 0 ወደ መጀመሪያ አካባቢ ብትሄድ ሀምዛ ሼር ያረኩት አለ ፋይናል ሪፖርት ምን ኢንክሉድ ያርግ የሚለውን ሶ ያንን ኢንክሉድ ማድረግ ትችላለህ እነዛን ፖይንቶች። ኦኬ ሀምዛ ኦኬ ሜቢ ካጣኸው ዲኤም አድርገኝ፣ ግን አለ ዊክ 0 ላይ መጀመሪያ አካባቢ። ፌቨን የስ
አይ ቴንክ ዩ ለማለት ነበር for the template.
Oh, okay, great.
It really is good. በጣም
Okay, good. Thank you, Faven. ኤሚሊየን ቲንክስ ካልተሳሳትኩ ስምህን ወይ ስምሽን ዝር።
Good morning, everyone. I hope you can hear me. Can you confirm?
Yes. Okay,
Amazing.
sorry, Emilian. Yeah.
Yeah. I've seen a lot of people asking access to Careers Challenge on Drive, but I just want to communicate that the Careers Challenge is found on 10x. If you haven't, some people are just clicking the link that I shared in all resources. But in
Okay.
case you're struggling to get the Careers Challenge, you can still access it on 10x. So in case it confuses anyone here. Thank you. And any question about the non-technical challenge?
Yeah.
You can
Yeah. You guys should use this opportunity. Ask Emilian if you have any questions regarding the career challenge. Okay. So if you have a question, write it on the chat for him too. He will be able to answer it. So we can continue with our stand-up then. Next person would like to share their progress. Okay. ስም ወደ መጥራቱ ልግባ። አቤል ገዛኸኝ ያ have not submitted the interim report. Okay, interim report ብቻ ነው ሰሚት ያላረከው አቤል? Do you have you submitted the GitHub? Are you ready to submit for today? You can submit the interim as well. So do you think what can we do for you to submit by the end of today, Abil? Okay. Make sure to DM me. Okay, I only set up the environment. I would like a detailed list on what to do. Okay. So the detailed list technically is already listed on the documentation. So you're going to start from task 1, which you are saying you set up the environment, that is task 1. Task 2 is the next step for you. So on the task 2, you need to go. You need to watch on the data. On the task 2, you need to go over the data, do cleaning, and do the EDA. So from what you hear on this stand-up so far, you have seen some people already are way there for their submission. Some of them have submitted their work. So do you think you can reach out to one of them? Can you DM one of them? Yes, okay. So please make sure to DM them right now while we are on the meet, so they can guide you what you need to do. Okay. አቤል ዘለቀ ከሁላችሁም ብሰማ ደስ ይለኛል ያላችሁበትን ለማወቅ። ሰው ፕሊስ ብታወሩ አሪፍ ነው ወይ ብትጽፉ። ኦኬ አቤል ዘለቀ ማውራት ከቻልክ ፕሮግረስን ሼር ብታረገን። ጥያቄም ካለክ you can ask. አብዬ አየለ አምደ ሚካኤል ክዳኔ ቲንክ ክዳኔ ያ ቤተል ዮሐንስ yes አምዲ ሚካኤል I think we can't hear you.
ስክሪን ተምያለሁ አፕሎድ አድርጌያለሁ። ቀረው የፋይናል እስካሁን ያሉት አራቱ አፕሎድ አድርጌያለሁ። የቲም ማኔጅመንት ተጽፏል። የመጀመሪያ ኢንተርቪው ሁለት ቲም ማኔጅመንት እና ኢትሮ ሪፖን ያለው በላስቲንግ የሚቀረኝ የፋይናል ሪፖርት አዘጋጅቶ እሱን ማድረግ ነው።
Then that's a good news, Amde Mikael. Keep working on that. So you are almost done. Do you have any questions for me and Emilian on the career challenge? No. Okay. Great. Thank you, Amde Mikael, for sharing. What is it?
ዳሽቦርዱ ማለት ነው። ኋላ ያው ሲደረግ እንትን ይላል ያሉት ነገሮች ያሳያል። እንደተባለው ስክሪንሻት ታች አድርጌያለሁ ማለት ነው። በጌታው ግን ዲፕሎይ ሲደረግ እዛን ዳታዎች በኤኒሚ ሳክሰስ ለማድረግ ሞክሬ ነበር ስላልተቻለ ያ ዲፕሎይ የተደረገ ነገር የሚያሳየው ዳታ ስለማያገኝ ዝም ብሎ some kind of ባዶ ነገር ነው የሚያሳየው። የሆነ ሜካኒዝም ይኖራል ለነዛ ዳታዎችን እናገኝበት ዳሽቦርድ ወይስ የሶስቱ ስቴፕ ላይ ክሊር ያደረግናቸውን ዳታ ተጠቅመን አይደለ የምንለው?
አዎ እንደዛ ነው። ሶ እሺ እንደ ኦፕሽን ስክሪንሻቱን ተጠቅመሃል አይደለ? ሰሚት ለምታረገው ድንገት ባይሰራልክ እንኳን እንዴት ሶልቭ እንደምታረገው እነግርሃለሁ። ግን ባይሰራልህ እንኳን ስክሪንሾት አድርግተክ ሎካል ማሽን ላይ ይሰራል ዲፕሎይ ባታረገው ብዬ አስባለሁ አይደል? አምደ ሚካኤል በጣም መቆራረጥ አለ ካንተ ሳይድ አይ ቲንክ ከኔም ነው አይ ዶንት ኖ
ይሰማል።
አሁን ትንሽ ይሰማል።
አይ እንትን ባለው ያለች ሷል ያቀናት ጽፋታትና
Okay, just to tell you the options that you have to read the data. አንደኛ you can push the data itself to GitHub to deploy it on Streamlit. So the Streamlit can access the data from the pushed data on the GitHub. So when you push the GitHub, Streamlit by default it reads the main branch. So you need to push the data in the Streamlit app on the main branch, or you need to define which branch Streamlit needs to look for to deploy that application, because the default setup Streamlit immediately read the main branch. Okay, so you can make sure the deployed Streamlit read the data by pushing the data itself on the GitHub. If you don't want that, the second option that you have is to actually store those last clean data on SQL database, and Streamlit they offer on the sheet that I shared you on the last tutorial. You can there is a connection syntax of Streamlit to connect with SQL databases. So you need to do that algorithm on your Streamlit app to read directly from your SQL machine. But with this one again, your SQL machine going to be installed on your local machine. So even if you make the connection, the deployed one will not be able to read it, because the deployed one is a link on the internet. So that SQL need also to be on the internet. So what you have the option is, again, with that there are online SQL databases like what was the name? Supabase. They offer you this kind of SQL online databases, which they provide you their link to connect on the internet. So wherever the Streamlit is deployed on the internet, it will access that SQL database on the internet. So this is more complex at this stage and time consuming, maybe if you are new to the setup. So maybe that will not be a recommended solution, but you can do the first one. You can actually push the data on the GitHub and deploy the Streamlit. The Streamlit can access the data within that GitHub repo. And don't forget, it's a Streamlit by default with the main branch, so you need to push those on the main branch as well. Hopefully that's clear. So if both options, if you end up not doing both options, the last option that you have is run the Streamlit on your local machine and take a screenshot of those images or those functionalities that you did on your Streamlit app and share that, send me those screenshots on your GitHub repo. We will check them out as well. We can see the screenshots as well. That's also the third option. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay, now, thank you.
Hi everyone. So my question was about the Streamlit deployment, and I think you kind of answer it because I have a plan to deploy it on different branch on Dev dashboard. So I pushed the data to that branch specifically. So I just try to read it from there. So I think I can push it to the main branch so I can read it. So that was my question. So just to confirm that, if I can still use the Dev branch, or should I push it to the main
Yes,
branch?
I think you can use the Dev branch, but you need to define during the deployment which branch Streamlit should look for when deploying the app. So just check out.
I already defined it and I checked it. It works, but for the submission, I don't know if it works on the right. If I'm doing it the right way.
No, that's also an option. So as long as the link that you're going to provide with the Streamlit is accessing the data and doing all the logics that you put, then it means it's working. And that's also, you can define which the branch Streamlit should look for. So which you already did, so that's fine. Now,
so if it doesn't make a problem from your side, so that's okay for me.
yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, what we want to say is a deployed app, right? We are seeing it.
Yes.
So it means the step you come so far is correct.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay. But now are you ready for today's submission? I'm guessing you are, considering you are on Streamlit.
I am working on the report, so I have some confusion on that, and I am somehow confused because there's no outline and there is no guidance for that. So last time when I submit the interim report, so I don't get what I expect. So I don't know if I am right or wrong. So I at least if there was a guide, I should see the standard, but currently I'm working with cluelessly.
Let me just share everyone this documentation. I did write notes on week 0 Slack, but I can share it again. Okay, while I'm sharing that, Yosef, you can go ahead next.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Okay, thank you. And I've been trying to share the link of Streamlit, but I think it will expire after some time. Can I share the screenshot of the dashboard, or should it is the must to share the link?
So are you saying the Streamlit link has expiration date, Yosef?
Yeah, for example, when I try to screenshot it, it will say error running up, and then I try to reboot it, and after that it will give me some minute, and then it will expire again. And then on the link that I have to, in the submission link, I put the Git and also the Streamlit link. So, but it will expire. So can I share the screenshot, or I have to? It must sharing the Streamlit link.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me clarify if I understand you correctly. So you have deployed your Streamlit application,
Yes.
and you have a link for it.
Yeah.
It's working. One can see
Yeah.
the database. So in that case, you don't have to do any screenshot. You can just provide the link to.
Yeah, but when I copy the link and share it, for example, when I try to submit it on the provided submission link place, it will expire. For example, there is a preview option. When I try it on that, it will say error running up.
Okay. So the other options that you have is, you shouldn't have said that, but the other option is run the Streamlit on your local host and do the screenshot from there.
All right.
Mahali?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Maybe, Yusuf, if I can add something on here, if you are trying to submit exactly the Streamlit link, it will not allow you, because we are expecting your Git rather than the Streamlit dashboard. So we expect from you a GitHub link that contains the code for everything, not the Streamlit.
So, okay. But
Yeah,
they can share.
I add the GitHub link, and also there is an option that I can add more than one link. And then
yes,
I
on
pasted
the attachment, you can attach the link of the Streamlit.
Okay. Is that clear, Joseph?
Yeah, it's clear. But as I told you, the link will, I think it's happened to me. I don't know for others, but the link will
The attachment
expire.
is not working, or which link is expiring?
The Streamlit link.
Can you send it to us, to me, or DM for me?
All right. All right. I'll tell it.
Okay. Yusuf, can we say that you are ready for tray submission other than this problem that you're having?
Yeah. Yeah. I can submit today.
Okay. Great. Next person who would like to. Okay, let me call someone. Masfin Mawad, if you, one of you who can speak up. Let's start from Masfin.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sorry.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. You can go ahead. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay. On my side, everything fine, except the non-technical tasks. I haven't done it yet. I don't know. It's not much clear for me, but I'm trying to complete.
Is there a specific question on that? Emilian is here, so he can answer.
Yes, my question is there. I think it says prepare report on that non-technical tasks. I didn't get it much, and I'm just skip it, and I'm more focused on the more technical tasks, task 1, task 2, and task 3.
Oh, okay. Sorry for the challenge, Mesfin. So for the non-technical challenge, actually it's a careers challenge. So you can find the document on 10x, but I can also share with the link. What you have to do, there's a set of questions. There's 15 questions, and you have to select 11 questions to answer. If you see the challenge document, you will
Yes,
understand.
Mm.
So, and then if you read the question, you understand what to do. It's all about time management. And if maybe you didn't have a chance to attend the careers session, you can check the recording. And I also have the slide that we use for tutorial. In case you have any challenge or any question, you can always reach out to me, then I will guide you. Maybe you can be specific. Where is it the challenge specifically?
Okay, I think from the challenge, I expected to write a plan to execute the challenge and that task.
Not a plan per se, it's a report, just 3 to 5 pages. And then you also have to embed in to put in the screenshot of the schedule. If you read the document, you understand it's not like a plan, it's a document, a report on answering the questions within the exercise, the careers exercise. Are we on the same page now?
Okay, thank you. I'm just trying to deeply understand it and
Yeah,
if I look at
you can just text me on WhatsApp. I mean on Slack. Then I can guide you. You can take it through together.
okay, thank you.
Amazing. Anyone else maybe with the colors challenge? All right.
Okay. So, Masfin, other than the career challenge part, are you ready to submit for today's submission?
Yes, I've done the technical tasks. I just clean the data and I have also done the comparison. And the last one I'm doing on the Streamlit dashboard. And I hope I will finish within 12. It's not much more than 2 or 3 hours from now.
Okay, that's good.
Thank you.
Thank you, Masfin. Okay, others? We already time is up, but if I can hear from 1 to all first people, it would be great. Let me just call quickly 1 to all people. Petros. If you are there, can you speak up? Samuel Hailu. Okay, Samuel, thank you.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, and late in ጀመርኩና ትላንትና ኢትዮጵያ እየሄድኩ ነበር። አሁን ታስክቱን ኦልሞስት እየጨረስኩኝ ነው። ታስክ ስሪንም ጨርሳለሁ ብዬ አስባለሁ። I'm not sure about the career thing. እሱን ቼክ ለማድረግ ጊዜ ማገኝ አይመስለኝም።
Yeah. I hope you do though, ሳሙኤል ኬሪየሩንም ጥያቄ አለ ከዛ ላይ መጀመሪያ
ነው አይ ታይም ኮንስትሬንት ብቻ ነው። ሌት ስለጀመርኩኝ ሰኞ ነው የጀመርኩት እንዳጠቃላይ መስራት ለዛ ነው።
Okay. Do what you can, so probably there will be some extension, so you will try to submit it either way tomorrow or something. Okay. Do the best as you can, but it's a good progress. Since you are in good progress considering you have started it too late. So that's good.
Okay.
Yes, let's see if there are some points on the chat. Abel Zalaka is saying he have a question. Okay. Hopefully you have brought down your questions later. Oliad, who do have today? I need the final report format. Okay. Hopefully that's answered, Oliad. I have shared again the documentation. It was already shared to you, to all of you before, but I'm sharing it again. So Sanfas, what is the purpose of the report? We are so busy working on the project. The purpose of the report is that's the only way that we know you actually did what you did. You actually understand what you are writing on your GitHub, because you guys can copy each other out. We wouldn't know. But the way that you write your reports will show us that you actually did the work on the GitHub. So that's the only way that we will know. So it's really an important task, writing a report about what you did. Hopefully that answers the question, Sanfas. How we capable? I had accidentally submitted the interim GitHub link to the final submission slot. Can I redo and resubmit it? It was graded. Okay. Yes, you can. Just make sure to reach out to Mahalet and notify her about this. Okay, Howie? Fozia Fatuddin, I'm kind of late, but I'm trying to follow up. Yeah, I think Fozia, I have heard your issues before. Yeah, try your best to finish up. Just use your peers here that are already done to help you out as well, at least to guide you through it. But keep working on that. Beit Hill Johannes, I'm working on the dashboard, the bonus part, Streamlit dashboard. That is great, Beit Hill. It means you are ready for trace submission if you are on the Streamlit. Daniel, I have finalized the task and I'm ready to submit. Okay, thank you, Daniel, for your work and sharing here. You are on a good path as well. When will be the manual grading started? Abel's already started. It's just you guys are a lot, and we are doing our best to finish everyone up. And there's a final grading as well that's coming in our way. So the manual grading is already started way before. We will notify you when we are done. Okay. Mawad Mizan, hello everyone. Thanks to all at Tenak for your support. My standard, I submitted everything tonight and I graded it. And one question, my 10 still show draft. Do I need to do anything? You don't have to do anything. You guys showing draft is a good sign. It means your grade is not the final grade. We still are reviewing. So if it's a low grade and saying on the it's draft, it means the tutors are making it under review. Okay, Mawal. So when it is final for everyone, the draft will be changed to returned. So we are not at the stage yet. So it's under review. You don't have to do anything. It's just the status where the grading is right now. Tensai Salamun, what if we push data on another duplicate private repository and connect that with the Streamlit dashboard? So if you are talking about providing us a Streamlit link, it doesn't matter. I mean, make sure to have the Streamlit code on the one that you provided on the 10x platform. Of course, we're going to be seeing the Streamlit code as well. But if for pushing it, you prefer to do on a separate duplicate private repository, it's fine. Just provide the link as a bonus thing, so you can provide the link. But still, make sure the code exists on the submitted link, and that repo is public, not private. Hopefully that's clear. Tensai Abigail Yela, I'm working on the Streamlit dashboard. Then that's great progress, Abigail. So I'm gonna take that. You are ready for trade submission. Takeaways. Okay, that is the taker. So we can upload the CSV without Streamlit app. Yes, Sammy, if you are planning to deploy the application, you're probably going to need the data. So like I said, one of the options that you have is to push that data on your GitHub for the online, the deployed Streamlit to be able to access it or to use a database connection. So it's just depending on what you need, you can do the best option on that one. If you are providing a screenshot and everything, you don't have to do that. So we're going to be seeing the screenshot of the Streamlit app. So depending on what you are planning to do and based on the time that you have, you decide how you try to do the Streamlit app. I don't understand how to submit. We submit the Streamlit link. Mahalit, are you there? She's not here, so no, not you, Mahalit, but thank you for that. The team, the lead tutor, Mahalit, I mean. Okay, so for the question, how do we submit? Can anyone answer this question? Now, audio safe before I answer this one. Okay, so BetaHel, there is an option to add links right on your 10x platform. So once you can add the first one that you're going to be add is a GitHub link. Then you can add another link for the Streamlit one. Okay, so if that's really confusing for you, you can simply copy paste your Streamlit on the comment section as well. We can see it from there. That's also another option. So if you guys are really confused to how to deploy, how to pass the Streamlit link on the 10x platform, just copy paste it on the comment section. But I don't think it would be that hard. So the same way that you are adding the GitHub link, you can also create another tab for the Streamlit. But this is something that you can also reach out to us on the Slack. The Streamlit is not responsive when I try to test it in a local machine. I don't know why it's not allowing me to take screenshots, the whole dashboard. Hamza, I'm not sure either. Unless I see your code, I wouldn't know. But you can reach out to others who already did this. So just share what happened on the Slack so we can communicate there. When I try to deploy it in the cloud, cannot find the CV, what should I do? Tasfa, I think I already answered this one to the others. So I listed 3 options why your Streamlit couldn't find the CSV data and what options you can do to make it visible. So try one of them. Either push it to GitHub or use a database connection. Or the last option, you can use a screenshot. Here is a problem. Okay. How do we submit it? Is that okay to push our data for the Streamlit? Yes, for the Streamlit purpose, you can push it. But it's not basically the best practice to put your data on the GitHub. So until you guys learn that at that stage when you can use database connection with Streamlit, for now it's fine. On my side, I have done up to task 3. I might not get to Streamlit, but if there's an extension, I will be able to add it as well. So Miju is fine for now. Focus on task 3 for today's submission, and if there's an extension, you will do it. So that's a good plan. If you make it private, I don't think you can access the data. Yes, that is true. Okay, in public repository. Okay, so I think Tensai is answer is already answered. If it's the same problem, are Tasfa Wal. So Lidet and Tasfa Wali, I think I already said about how you can solve this problem. Is that clear for both of you? Should I repeat the options? Okay, great. In that case, I guess everyone is addressed on the chat. If there is any last questions, you can ask, but we can end the session. Okay. Thank you. Okay. I'm going to take the silence as a yes, so I'm going to stop the recording.